Hello, we are here to review some boots. TCX Infinity 3s, which I've had for about 3 years now, maybe 2 or 3 years. Probably done about 50,000 miles with them, give or take. So I reckon I've done, with these, we've probably done 30 on the Africa Twin, 5,000 on the Monkey. So maybe 40, 45,000 miles we'll say. They've been great, they've been really comfortable, they've been waterproof, they've really been good boots. They're comfortable, they've worn well, they've still got loads of wear in them, apart from this. So that you do them up using what's called the ATOP system. Tighten this up, tightens the wire up, and tightens the boots up, keeps them on your feet. Unfortunately, mine snapped, and as you can see here, it's stitched it into the boot. So I've contacted, well, there's no way for me to fix this at home. I've spoke to TCX, I've got nothing at all back from them. Then I spoke to Nevis, who import them, and they got back in touch. So they are going to fix it, they've said. So that's pretty good from them. But now looking at them, there's so many other places it can fail. So the cable can snap, it can fail anywhere here. These bits can snap, so if you fall and smash this bit, you're knackered. Not great when I've got a trip to Norway planned. So the solution is these. So I bought another set of TCX boots. These are called the Explorer 4 GTX. They're Gore-Tex. They're vegan, which is probably not important to some people, but it is to me. They're comfortable. They're waterproof as well. I've had to test them already in a proper downpour. So yeah, that's good. So sadly, the Infinity 3s, one of their like flagship boots, I think the RRP on these is 330 quid. Kind of recommend them because, I mean, they're great boots, but they're just not reliable. You can't, if anything, any part of this bursts on a trip, you're knackered. You can't change it. So there we go. Great boots. I mean, TCX make great boots. It's just a bad design, I would say. So yeah, that was my solution. So I'll let you know how I got on with Nevis and see what they do as far as repairs or whatever, and we'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit subscribe, buy some merch. Look, good times. That's from Call. But there's Bob giving us a row because I got pissed up and collapsed in a heap. Right, I'll see you later on.